Lastly, this is a bit of in-ground area. I have a Virginia creeper that I planted. I do want it to go ahead and try and block that brown fence. Not the prettiest. A little milkweed in there, a desert milkweed, and some garlic. The strawberries are looking pretty good. Oops, sorry for the tilt. I'll try and go back normal here. This is about the extent of my in-ground stuff, because in-ground is a sucker's game here. We'll back up and start with the newest bed. Jason just built these 2 beds. We just got them filled. This will be a Three Sisters planting. I've got stuff seeding in the house. This is beans, telegraph cucumbers, basil, eggplant. I plan to put in some dill and marigold as fillers. Maybe something else, I don't know. My direct plantings did not work very well, so working on reseeding for this. But what's in here now is some broccoli, a few peas, and bok choy. Here's my most successful cold weather bed. It's also one of the older ones, so I had an opportunity to plant it a little bit earlier. But you can see my peas are finally starting to do something. Oh, I've got a broccoli start. Look how dirty it is. I've been eating spinach and mustard greens and arugula already. Celery. This is the new pepper bed. Lots of peppers. Some pickling cucumbers over there. And here's some winter/summer squash. We'll see. It might be crowded, but we'll see. Brand new bed. Again, super tiny. We have cabbage and kale. I really wonder where this will go, but hey, because it's so tiny and it's so late in the year, but we're trying. And last but not least, a couple more squash, and the squash will spill over into the walkways.